Hello my loves, it's Rowi Singh here. So I'm very excited because I've created my day one Coachella look for you guys. So to brief you, the whole basis of my day one look for Coachella is all about soft pinks, whites and hints of gold. Hence, I've created this little look here. So if you guys want to see how I did it, then just keep watching. Now I want the focus of this look to be on the eyes. And when it comes to my festival looks, I like to sort of theme my looks and group the colors. So I'm gonna have like baby pinks and darker pinks and lots of blush and a nice bright pink lip. I think that's what I want to go for. It's very dreamy, very soft, hints of white, pearls, bit of gold, all of that. Now starting off, I'm going to use my NYX Ultimate Edit palette, and we like her because of how convenient she is. The packaging is nice and compact. You don't understand how heavy my suitcase gets when I pack my makeup. If I need light palettes and I don't want to have like 1,000 different like single eyeshadows, this Ultimate Edit Petite palette is so good because it literally has like all the essential colorful colors that I'm going to need to create my festival looks. I'm going to focus on these two colors here. We're going to take that pink shade and we're just going to circle that into the outer corner of my eye using a very, very light touch, just fluffing it into the skin and blending that out. My festival looks are all about the drama. As you can see, I'm not just sticking to my eye area, I'm really bringing this color down to my cheekbones, out to the side, all the way up to the brow bone. Everything is dramatic when it comes to a festival look. I spent like 20 seconds on this look and the color has already blended in so nicely. It literally takes me forever to get ready before a festival, and so I need colors that are just going to blend easily. I don't want to be sitting there for like hours on end trying to blend these colors into my skin. I'm just going to take a blending brush just so the outer edges are even softer, and I'm just going to circle that into my skin like that. Okay, that is looking delightful. Don't worry, I'm going to come back to the lid. I've got something special planned for that, but I just want to focus on getting this outer corner done. And now to catch up the other eye. So I'm going to be honest with you, I feel like most pink shades, I'd be so afraid to do this because the pink is just so pigmented that you can't really blend it out and make it look soft. So I do like the fact that this palette is allowing me to really soften that pink. I just know that a lot of other pinks that I have, like one swipe, yes, amazing, the pigment is there, but it takes a lot of effort to soften that pink and really blush it out. I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Now what I want to do is I'm going to take a little bit of this on my finger and then I'm just going to pat that into my lid just so I can create a really nice white eyeshadow base before I start applying the pink shadow to my lid again. This is my ultimate hack if you don't own like 50 shades of pink. So I'm putting down this base, and when I put that same pink shadow on top of the white, the pink is going to be more of like a baby pink. So we're creating like a two-toned effect without actually using more than one eyeshadow. I also like to apply this with my finger because then it doesn't get too chalky on the lid and I can really control exactly where I want that white to go. I'm going to use my fingers again and just rub into that pink and tap that right on top of the white. I'm going to focus on putting that more on like the outer corner of my lid. What I'm going to do is I'm going to touch up my inner corner and just put that white jumbo pencil there. So I've got this nice white to baby pink to hot pink ombre eye situation happening. So going back in with the white jumbo pencil and popping that right in my inner corner. See how it's now like super, super, super light in the inner corner, and we've got that ombre pink situation happening. I'm really impressed that I've only used one eyeshadow for this look. What I want to do next is the inner corner. So I'm going to take this other jumbo pencil, which looks like this one that I just used. This is Milk. This is in the shade Cottage Cheese. It has more of like a pearlescent look to it. I don't think I'll use my finger for this. I think I'll just go straight in with the pencil. I'm just going to apply that very delicately to the very inner corner of my eye. And then I can sort of diffuse it if I want to with my finger like that. This is looking super editorial, which I love, but if you want to give it more of a festival feel, then we can add just a tiny bit of glitter. So I've got NYX's metallic glitter in the shade 05. I'm just going to use my finger again and dab that on my inner corner. I'm actually going to take my NYX brush in 15 and just sort of diffuse that. Damn, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but this looks so magical because the iridescent glitter has specks of gold in it, which is matching my earrings. Yeah, It looks really cute. Before I move on, let me just give you a quick lesson in glitter, because I don't think it's a look when people go really, really hard with glitter and they've got it like all over their cheeks, face, chest. I think it looks a little bit tacky. So if you're going to use glitter, I recommend going for something like this NYX one, because it's a lot more fine and it's not too chunky. I think the chunky glitter really throws me off sometimes. Just use it very sparingly, just in small areas, maybe on the brow bone, in the inner corner. Just hints of it makes it look really classy and subtle and quite nice. So that's my 2 cents on glitter. I want to up the ante on my blush just a little bit. So I'm going to use this nice subtle peachy shade and just sort of buff that into my cheeks. Now, if you think you've gone a little bit too crazy with the blush aspect, you can just take your foundation brush and stipple around it, just so it softens the edges and makes it look a little bit more blended in. My eyes and my cheeks are done. I'm gonna add lashes. Now, this is cute and all, but like, what's a festival look without details? I've got these cute little self-adhesive baby pearls that you can get off eBay, and I'm just gonna place these in a little semicircle formation just around my lid area. So I'm gonna add like either blue or green contacts and see what that looks like. The last thing I wanna do is lips, and to be honest, I do wanna keep the lips quite natural because I think everything is so soft and dainty and glowy and feminine. I don't wanna do something too crazy, but I'm dying to use this right here, which is new to NYX. It's their Glitter Goals lipstick, and this is in the shade Reflector. Now, I know this pink might be too bright for my look. What I might do is take a little bit of it and just sort of tap it on with my finger, just to add a bit of coloring. And lastly, I've just sort of topped off the look with a little bit of clear gloss. So this is the final look, and I love it, mainly because it was so easy to do, and also I just love super soft, feminine, blushy tones paired with pearls and gold jewelry. That is my absolute vibe at the moment. I feel like it goes together really well and makes for a really good festival look. Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and don't forget that this is the first look of 3 Coachella looks. I still have 2 epic looks to show you guys, and of course I'll be doing a tutorial for those too. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. What else? Pop your notifications on. Whatever you need to do so you can watch my content. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!